jump rope outdoors. No better place to do it. And no, you don't need a jump rope mat. Shoes with good support. That's it. You're taking your mat with you everywhere you go. And I just happen to have a belt that contains my jump rope. How do you like that? Carry it with me all the time. And got to make sure that the hair is out of the way. And I'm ready to rope. Okay, a little upper body workout here just to get it going. And away we go.
I'm Deborah Steffen, a lifetime professional fitness enthusiast. Jump rope and I go way back to the 70s with a cardio commitment during my career as a professional chorus dancer. Breaking a 10-hour World Guinness record, receiving university accreditation, and State Board of Education status, I taught jump rope to adults, then developed a nationally ranked youth team. Achilles tendon surgeries, hip replacement, and multiple foot surgeries decades later, I'm still jumping, lifting, and running. So stick around if you find this encouraging. I have more to share.
Okay, a little visual proof that I actually jump rope better than I run with an artificial hip. So what does that tell you? Jump rope is a lot easier than running. Here we go.
Start workout.
What we have here is the flip belt, and it is a soft sleeve of a belt that you can put all kinds of things in, essentials when you're out on the trail, on the bike, or on foot. So you can see that there is a little key tab here. I just put my remote on it. And in case I feel like warming up for my run with a little jump rope, for those of you that know how fond I am of jump rope, here we have all we need for the rope workout. There it is, all ready to go, just like that. Now, when I finish my jump rope, I can just slide it back into the sleeve. But that's not all. Now this is an XL. It does stretch a lot. I wear it on my hips sometimes. But for jump rope, to keep things snug, I like one that's a little bit tighter. Look at that. I can even do my training app on here and track with my phone. I can even bring my wallet along. And if you're carrying anything bigger than this for your wallet nowadays, you are behind in technology, because this is hacker-proof. The hackers cannot get your information through this metal. So I've got everything I need in here and more. Multiple credit cards, gas card, medical cards, insurance cards, every little thing, and then some. And AAA, and some money. Look at that. Okay, so all this and more can fit in here. In fact, I've actually, from time to time, put a little lightning cord in there with a small flash charger. So you're good to go. And even on the bike, last time I did over a 40-mile bike ride, I packed this puppy full of goo and snacks and everything that I needed to nourish myself on the trail. So there you have it. I highly recommend the flip belt. Now you see in the background, the spy belt is kind of getting left behind here, because the spy belt, it's a little loosey-goosey and it has too much bounce in it for jump rope or running. And it does tend to loosen up a little bit. Now this is great when you want something super compact, and I do still wear this under clothes because I will not carry a purse. At any rate, that's what I have to say about it all. Thank you.